everyone. So with everyone working out at home, I figured this would be useful for you guys. So it's come up in a couple questions about run distances. If you guys go to Google Maps, just maps.google.com, it'll bring you to this Google Maps site. If you find your address, I'm going to do this from the gym, for example. If you find your address and you put it in the satellite mode, I think you guys can do this through the phone. I just don't really know how, and I've always done it through the actual desktop version. You zoom in to the point where you can actually sort of get a pinpoint. If you do a right click, one of the options that comes up is measure distance. So if you go to measure distance, it asks you to click on the map to trace a path. So say you're going to the gym and you're doing a run that starts from the front of the building. If you click here, you can kind of click and drag your route. And what you can actually do is you can move these pieces around or these pins around if you kind of screw up in terms of how you want it to start. Let's say you want to go out the gym and you want to run down Old Waterbury. You don't want to go to Reservoir. You guys just want to keep going. One thing that will show you is down here, it shows you your distance in feet and meters. And you can actually drag this. So you can sort of drag it back to make sure that you're getting as close to 200 meters as you can. So that would be sort of an out that's 200 meters and back if you're doing that from the gym. You can make this as far as you want or as short as you want. But it's a sort of a quick and easy, dirty way to measure your distances for your run workouts. Hope that helps, guys, and we hopefully will see you all soon.